You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this beautiful word, originally from Greek, meaning temperance or self-control, prudence. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary and correct pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got many more videos you want to learn from and listen to. Sophrosyne, that's the British English pronunciation, Sophrosyne. Now the Americans say it a bit more as Sophrosyne, but it's similar. Sophrosyne, American English pronunciation, or Sophrosyne. Sophrosyne, can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Make sure you stress on the second fro syllable, Sophrosyne. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.